Hello guys, so it's very easy to create email or subdomain on a hosting space, be it cPanel or hPanel or other vendors. It's very easy to create your subdomain or your email. Now if you are using hosting like hPanel or cPanel, now just locate your domain. So I'll locate my domain, I'll click on the hosting, and I'll look for the domain on which I want to create the subdomain or the email on. So I want to create on this. So what I need to do is to go to email and then email accounts, then wait for it to load. Okay, alright, so you just look for your domain. Alright, so this is it. So I just click. Now so on the hosting, you are given a maximum of 100 email that you can create, okay, per domain. So I'll come in. Alright, so I just create new email into this. So I'll use let's say support. So my domain name is there, so it will be support@delifo.com. Then you choose your password. Don't forget this. Keep the password well. Okay, it's very simple. Then I'll create. Alright, so I have my support email here. So if I click on this, it will take me to a page where I can input my email and password. Because as you can see, this is the email we just created, and I'll enter the password. Okay. Wow. Let's type the password again. Login through. Alright. So if you're having a problem, all I need to do is to go here and change password. Turn new password. Okay, and I'll just update it. Okay, then I'll go back, refresh. Alright, then I'll enter my password, and I'll log in. Alright, so we are in. So you can choose to save it based on the browser you are using. Again, it's a new email and I've not received anything, so it looks empty. Alright, so we can go back and try to create a subdomain. Create a subdomain for this. Alright, so the same way we can easily create a subdomain, and all I need to do is to go back. Alright, so I can just click on hosting and still select the domain on which I want to create the subdomain on. So alright, so I'll go to domains and click subdomain. Alright, so you can just, we're doing support stats. Alright, so that's all. And I just create them. My subdomain will be here. Alright, so you can see that. So this is our subdomain. So we can host websites on this subdomain in the public HTML file. Okay.